Girls, welcome back to my channel. For newbies, I'm Jessie Rose. As you can see, this is my whole birthday setup which we created together, myself and my mom. So today I'm here to actually show you the 2022 calendar of ours. So before getting in, let me just quickly give you a tour of the whole setup because we did a lot of work to create this look. So let me give a quick tour of this whole setup. So without any further ado, let's dive into the video. So as you can see, these are the pieces we got separately for decoration purpose from last on I guess on 12th of December we went for shopping, my mom and my aunt. So we three of us, we went to shopping and we did a lot of Christmas decor shopping. So from there we got many items and many of them are ordered from Amazon. So I'll give everything links in the description box, so don't worry about it. So this decoration items we got it from Begum Bazaar, which is I guess it is Nagari or Aze Plaza something. And these are the happy birthday letters which you can see I got it from Amazon. And these lights you can see, these are the star lights, curtain lights. I got it also from Amazon. I'll give these links in the description box if you are interested. So these star lights, curtain lights comes in the pack of 2. So you have to get those 2, and it's quite easy to operate and it's really aesthetic to look. So along with these letters, they also gave 24 pieces of black and silver balloons, but I was not happy with the color because everything, after blowing up everything, it looks same color. I'm not so satisfied. It's not as shown in the picture, but it's okay, it does the job, so I don't have any much complaints, but just in case if you want. So these are the veins. I got it from Amazon. I did in one of my Amazon haul. I don't know whether I upload it or not, but if I do, I'll mention the links in the description box, so please don't forget to check it out. And I also got this wreath. This is also from Begum Bazaar. This was really cute and it is affordable. There are a lot of quite options over there, but I felt this is cuter and smaller, so yes, I took that. So if you can see, this is a little cute Santa we got. It is a hanging and it sets well here, so we placed it over here. And next we got this crib set which was actually retails for 2100, but in Begum Bazaar we got it for 1050, and it's quite aesthetic and cute looking. So yes, if you want, you can definitely check it out. And these lights, as you can see, I got it long back for when I started my YouTube journey. So yes, these I got from Amazon itself. I'll give this links in the description box if you're interested. And then as you can see, there's some decoration going on here. I got this decoration piece from Begum Bazaar itself, where I got all of these. I got these, I guess, for 5 to 6 pieces, I guess, and I decorated it all over. So yes, and I got to pop in little color, I added these golden red balls which looks so aesthetic, so I added up here. Instead of just hanging it anywhere, I just placed it all over, and I placed few of the balloons over here which I told I got along with this setup. So yes, this was my birthday setup. I took really cute pictures with this background, so don't forget to follow me on my Instagram to check out these pictures. So along with this letters also came this 2 letters, 22. So this is my 22nd birthday, so I got even these props. And also along with this, there are other pieces which I got. I also got this heart shaped balloon which looks so aesthetic to click pictures, and also these 2 star pieces. If you are interested, I'll give these links in the description box. Please don't forget to check it out. So I'm going to open the 2022 calendar quickly and show you what is inside it. So opening of this calendar comes with a picture of my grandfather, who is from Jaigurpadu, and Jaigurpadu is the place which is the birthplace of founder of Bible Mission, Father M. Devdas Garu. So my grandfather is also from the same place, and I'm his granddaughter. So opening of this calendar, inside it comes with the starts with the month of January, obviously. So these are how the pictures looks like, and if you can see here, this is the church which is placed in Pedabram Dam in East Godavari district. Andhra Pradesh. And he is Dr. Reverend Jairaj Jaigaru. He is currently working as a pastor, and he's the son of my grandfather, who is my mama. And there's a little ad of my YouTube channel over here. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please go subscribe to my channel and hit on the bell icon to be notified whenever I post a new video. And let me show quickly all of the months and its pictures. It comes with all the Telugu verses. So the first verse is from Numbers chapter 6:25, and it has everyday promises under each day's date. And here it was given all the church timings. He have different four places where he's running the ministry, and all the timings over there are given here over here. So this is for the month of January and February, and this is for month of March and April, and this is for month of May and June, and this is for the month of July and August, and this is for the month of September and October, and finally it's the month of November and December, the month of my birthday, and also it's the month of Christmas. So this is a preview of this calendar. So that is it for today's video, guys. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, you know the drill. Kindly give this video a big fat thumbs up, and also comment down what are the other videos you want me to do. And please don't forget to share this video with your friends and family. If you are interested of any of the product, I'll give all the links in the description box. Please go check it out, and don't forget to subscribe this channel and hit on the bell icon to be notified whenever I post a new video. I'll see you soon in my next video. Until then, stay blessed, stay happy.